In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then wait for the pop-up to show, and when it does, hit consent. Now it's time to tap on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you want to, checking out preview at the top. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Here it is. Tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where by tapping on one of those options. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!